Hey, Andrew from Ozito. Are you looking for an easy way to spruce up the dining chairs or stools? I've got one here, so let's see what we can do. The tools you need for this project are our new PXC spray gun, a random orbital sander, 2 different paint colours, some clamps, 120 grit sandpaper, and some safety gear. Let's get started. The first step is to strip any old varnish, paint or lacquer from the timber with a random orbital sander. For those hard to reach places, just give them a quick hand sand with some 120 grit. Give the surface a quick wipe down with a rag to remove any dust and residue. Now it's time to set up our spray gun for painting. And for a quick guide on how to thin down paint, check out our how-to video on changing your viscosity. I've already set up my spray gun and thinned the paint down too. We're going to create a pattern and give it a bit of a vintage look. So let's get into masking it up. Time to paint. Once it's all dry, carefully remove the masking tape. And to give it a bit of a vintage look, we're going to lightly tarnish our accent paint with some 120 grit paper. There you have it. An easy and effective way to give a stool some edge, inviting more wow to your living space.